Ready, do it. No, just ready.
Hey guys, my name is Destiny and this is Reppin' Beauty. Hope y'all are having a good day today. So today I am doing comb coils on my friend Jaheem. He got a little photo shoot coming up, so he wanted me to hook him up. It was my first time doing this style, so I was a little iffy, but I'm glad he let me do it on him. So you see I'm detangling and I'm sectioning off his hair and parting it so I can get ready to work in the little sections. The products I used were the Pink Eco Styler, the Main Choice Curl Custard Styling Creator, and the Mielle Leave-In Conditioner, of course. That's what I used to help comb it out. And I also got the detangler, the Tangle Teaser brush. That blue brush, you're going to see it later on. It works wonders. So right here, we just about halfway done. I really wanted you to see a close-up of me doing the coils. So, I'm just gripping it and just twisting it with the comb a little bit. It probably would have been easier with the twisting comb, but I did not have it and I did not know about it until after I did the style. But I think it came out really nice with the rat tail. So we see how it looks so far. It looks real nice. He was being a little stubborn with his head, but boom. So now we working more towards the front. That Tangle Teaser go real nice. You see his little curls popping up, going with the Eco Gel. You want to comb it out a little bit, or comb it out just a little bit, just to make sure it's nice and smooth, and then start twisting with that comb again. And then twisting with your finger just a little bit, and boom. It ain't that hard. I was a little nervous because, of course, this is my first time, but once you really get the hang of it, it's not that bad. So make sure you at least try to get them all the same size, and not too much hair is in the comb, because it might not look right. So right now we're more towards the front. I wanted another little close look at me twisting it from a different angle. So you see, just comb it out a little bit, and then twist it with the comb. You can use your fingers to help you at towards the end, like I sometimes do, or unless it comes out real nice on the comb and you just gotta leave it like that. So this is the front. He just got that little section left. We're gonna hook that part up. I just want to let y'all know his name is Jaheem Kyrie. He got a song coming out called Control. Check it out. Check him out on Instagram. Jay Got Vocals. He got a YouTube channel, Jay Productions. Go listen to that, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please. And thank you. And now we're at our finished look. Y'all see how it came out? I like it. He liked it. We both liked it. I was really feeling it. Watch it shake. Watch him do the little shaky shake. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.